you want to get to the review, be sure to skip to this point in the video. If not, enjoy the unboxing. You might find that a little bit boring, but hey, we got to get that out of the way first. If you want to see the review, get to this point. Get at this point in the video. Yo, it's your boy Kalido Vids, and today we've got a percussion massager device. Links to this will be in the description below. So we've got a little velvet pouch. Seems to be of high quality. Quite big. We've got a little manual. Let's put that to the side. We've got this little therapy guide, trigger point therapy. Probably not all the places to use it. Let's leave that to the side. And first thing we got is a power adapter. This is for the EU style plug. I think these are attachments that we can switch with this for different kind of massaging techniques. Another one. I like the material on this. They all seem to be of high quality. And this one's quite hard. I wonder what this is for. And finally, we've got the massaging gun itself. It's got a bit of weight to it, maybe about 1 to 2-ish kilos. Maybe about 2 kilos. Let's turn it on. Ready to start moving. So we're on 60% battery. We can, I think this will increase the vibration. Yeah, increases the intensity of it. How do I add it past this point? Oh, you have to hold it for a little bit. Oh, just look at that. It's kind of hurt my fingers a little bit. That's actually insane. Let's turn it off for now. So we've got an aluminium build. This is kind of like a rubber coated plastic, or like maybe this might be aluminium as well. I think this is all aluminium. This is kind of rubberized, the texture. This is like a fabricy, hard kind of ball. If you want to remove it, I think we just twist it out. Let me get one of these other accessories. Let's try this little claw. Then we just screw it in. And it fits right in. Yeah, so it's like a claw. So the quality of this is quite nice. It looks like it will last you a really long time. So this massager gun has 6 gears, a 2,600 milliamp hour battery, 60 watts of power, and these are the different heads. So from what I've heard, professional athletes use this kind of stuff to help with different pains, different sores in the body. This guide will give you everything you need to know. So I've been using this for the past few months. And let me tell you, after the gym, after playing some basketball, after playing football, this is amazing. My friends love it. I love it. Like even now I've got on this Y-shaped attachment, Y-shaped tool, Y-shaped head. And on my neck, let me increase the intensity a bit. I'll put it to max. Oh, and I just went to the gym. I did chest, arms, back, even my shoulders a little bit. Like, this is just amazing. Like, right now I'm trying it on my spine. You get someone else to do it. Get a family member, a friend. My voice sounds a bit vibrating right now. But yeah, this is quite nice. It just takes the pain away. Honestly, like, recovering from overstretching my back, slight injuries, yeah, it is so much quicker with something like this. And that's me being honest with all of you. Ain't trying to advertise it just so you can buy it. Trust me, you lot should all get it. But anyways, be sure to leave a like of a video if you enjoyed it. If you've got any future suggestions for any future videos, let me know on my Instagram at imzy_official. Feel free to contact me in my DMs, as a lot of you have already been doing. I've done a few videos for you lots just because of your suggestions and, you know, yeah. But anyway, peace.